So here is the brand new performance strut bar that I'm going to be installing on my 2015 Audi A4. And the purpose of this is to basically reduce body roll, to make the car more stable, especially when cornering really hard. Yes, my car has already been lowered about 1.5 inches using H&R springs, and that definitely helped with handling, but this is going to add a whole nother level. To be honest, it was really hard to find something like this for the Audi A4. This is probably the only one that I found online. It was actually under 150 bucks. I'll leave links to it in the description below. So this is really high quality. It's made of CNC machine billet aluminum, super strong. It's corrosion protection. It's really durable. I mean, just look at these welds. And this can also be customized to be painted if you want to. And the cool thing about the install is that it's a direct bolt-on. There's no modifications needed. So enough talking, let's slap this on the car. I started by test fitting the strut bar, and it looks like I'm gonna need to remove this bolt right here, this one up here, and then on the passenger side, I'm gonna need to remove this bolt right over here. So now that the sides are nice and tight and the bar is fully secured, it's time for a test drive. I ended up taking the car out on a nice sunny day in New Hampshire, and the roads were amazing. I found some really nice twisty roads, and I can definitely tell you the car feels a lot more stable going into turns, and I definitely feel a lot more confident in these turns. What really made a difference was going on to the on-ramps or off-ramps, the one that are circular, and I could really feel the car planted and a lot more stabilized. Well, there you have it, another really cool mod for my Audi A4. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Definitely go check it out in the description below, and I'll see you next time.